Alright guys, back at you with another video. It's been a while, I know, but bought myself a new truck. 2004 LB7 Duramax. It's got the 4-inch straight pipe to the 5-inch MBR tip. Sorry it's dirty right now, but it sounds really good. I'll throw a clip in at the end of the sound. But it's got your typical rust, typical Wisconsin rust. But the interior is very clean. You know, usually the Duramaxes are all ripped up. Over on that side it ain't. I'll get you a better view in a second here. But it's clean. Soon here because, well, everybody knows Duramaxes have weak tie rods, so getting me prepared for pulling. But right here, no tears or nothing. Still pretty good, so that's good. I got the tie rods here. They're the XD DMAXstore.com. They're not kryptonite, but they'll do the trick. DMAXstore.com. But yeah, overall 215,000 miles on it. That ain't the worst for a diesel. But yeah, she's pretty bone stock. Doesn't even have a cold air intake. It's not tuned. It's just straight piped. It still has the factory downpipe on it too. But I'd like to get the Lincoln diesel steel cold air intake. That'd help with intake sound. You could hear it better. Has 2 brand new GM batteries. One right there, one right here. Back there's the turbo. But she's pretty clean. Overall, she don't smoke white at all at an idle. She barely smokes when I get on it. Very nice, clean truck. It has brand new tires on it. These tires probably have about 200 miles on them, if that. With the American Racing rim. The tires are 295 75R16s. But so they are a little bit bigger than stock, but it has a 4-inch lift. Not sure the brand of the lift because when I bought it the guy didn't know, but yeah. And the 4-inch is all galvanized, so it will not rust, so that's a plus. But yeah, it came with this heavy duty tonneau cover. It works alright. I don't always use it. Sometimes I take it off if needed, but got a spare in here. But yeah. I'll throw in a couple clips of how she sounds, and thanks for watching.